clearer, not the bigger.
Septic drainer
Septic
really
drainer,
works.
it really works.
We had a real problem here because of the high water level. In the springtime and when it rains, it raises up to about 6 to 5 feet underneath the surface. And it completely plugged our dry well out here. I think this system at the time has been built in '72, so that would make it about 49 years old, 50 years old. The year before I used it, I had it pumped 3 times at about $400 a whack. It got pretty expensive. And I was facing, digging the whole system up, $5,000–6,000. And, having the whole thing rebuilt and repaired and the ground opened up. And I had a friend who was pumping it and put me in touch with this product. Came here, used it. I think it took a little more than they thought because we were really, really plugged. But in the time, once it cleared up, it was gone completely. I had it pumped again last month. That was 4 years ago. I haven't pumped that system in 4 years. It just completely opened up that ground and it just worked great for us. Buy it. If you've got a problem, use it.